What's up, guys? So another day, another boat ride. Are you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
They said take anti-nausea medicine. We took that. Hopefully nothing happens. 2.5 hours until we get to San Cristobal from Santa Cruz. All right, we'll get back to you when we're on the boat. Oh God, guys, so we're gonna go on this little tiny taxi boat to get to the mid-sized boat we'll be on for 2.5 hours. We made it. I will never do that freaking boat ride again, just saying. That was terrible. I thought I was gonna vomit, honestly. Was that an hour and a half though? 2 hours? That was terrible, terrible, terrible. Chatham is the hotel. Anyway, guys, don't ever take that freaking boat ride. Take a plane.
Go backwards because could be dangerous. Necesito saber si es que encontraron un saco, una chompa en la cabina 10,
So this island here in San Cristobal has so many sea lions. Even if you come late at night, they say they come to shore. There is just tons of them all over. I hope you guys can see this, but if you look closely at these birds, you can see that they are blue-footed. So they're called the blue-footed birds in Spanish, patos azul. So pretty. So the way to distinguish these birds is by the darkness of the color blue. So if they have a darker blue color, it is a male, which there's 2 here right now, and 4 females. different type of tortoises or tortugas that are just on San Cristobal. What are they called again?
Chatanense.
Chatanen is their name.
Chatanense.
We got some chickens coexisting with them. They're actually smaller than the ones in Santa Cruz that we saw earlier in this video, but they look exactly alike. They're so big.
The other one, on the other island, they call Galapagos for the big one. That's what they call Galapagos.
And their backs are more round, these tortoises. No snakes on these islands, but pretty cool to see these. There's no snakes on these islands, but pretty cool to see these.
No what?
Snakes.
Y esa es la diferencia. Qué bueno que le tomen fotos porque cuando estés en el hotel con tu tiempo más librecito, hagan las comparaciones con las de Santa Cruz. Y hay diferencias. Es decir, esta especie es endémica para San Cristóbal. Esta no la va a encontrar en ninguna otra isla. Y así se desarrollaron las 10 diferentes especies que tenemos en todas las Galápagos.
So if you see the turtles in the background, they're the intermediate sized ones of the Galapagos. But these turtles, any of them that are here on the Galapagos, can actually live a whole year without eating or drinking anything if they had to. Pretty amazing.
Diferente a Santa Cruz. Aquí están como que más amplio, más espacio aquí. Pero el objetivo y el propósito es el mismo. ¿Qué hacer? Incrementar más hembras que machos porque durante la época de las personas que los capturaron se llevaron más hembras que machos. ¿Por qué? Las hembras es más fácil de cargar, tienen menos tamaño y las hembras son las que bajan siempre a la costa.
So these are actually the same tortoises that we just saw, those really giant tortoises. But because they're endangered, what they do here is they keep them in an enclosure until they're 2 years old. And then once they're 2 years old, they put them back into their natural habitat. So they actually only feed them 3 times a week so that they don't lose their natural instincts to find food, which is pretty cool. In an effort to save this species on the island, because they're very vulnerable from the time that they're born until they're 2 to 5 years old. Let me just see if I can show you what they look like when they're smaller. I can see. Here we go. So here's what they look like when they're about 4 months to a year is this enclosure. They're so small and then they become such giant tortoises. Here's some more small little ones. The reason that they're held in captivity is because rats actually eat them at night here, which is surprising, but yeah, so that's why they have to keep them in these enclosures to try to keep the species alive. So they have this outer cage and this thinner wire that they put over it at night to ensure that the rats can't get in. There's some more. guys, so this is gonna end our trip to the Galapagos. We hope you like this video.
Don't forget to share.
Don't forget to hit the notification. No, I don't know what. I don't know what. Hey guys, so this is what's gonna wrap up our trip to the Galapagos. We hope you like this video. You guys. Hey guys, so this is gonna end our trip to the Galapagos. We hope you like this video.
Don't forget to share.
Subscribe to the boys' Instagram at Morphs and also to this YouTube channel.
And don't forget to hit the notification button.
And keep those comments coming and whatever these sea lions are saying.